Hey there. Sinking funds are the secret to never being blindsided by a big expense again. Car repairs, the holidays, insurance, all save for a little at a time. Let me walk you through the sinking funds tracker. Tab by tab. Start on the Setup tab. Set your name, currency, and start month once, and it flows through the whole workbook. The Sinking Funds tab is where you name each fund, set its target amount and target date, and it calculates exactly how much to set aside each month to get there. On time, the contribution log records every deposit into every fund, so you always know what you've put away and when. The monthly plan shows what you owe each fund this month across all your goals, so you can fund them all from one paycheck without missing any. The dashboard is your live overview, current balance, target, and percent to goal for every fund, updating automatically as you contribute. And the categories view groups your funds so you can see where your future money is going at a glance. That's the whole tracker. Every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Start a fund today and stop dreading the big bills. Thanks for watching.